Let's face it, the default keyboard shortcuts in Final Cut Pro X are horrible. Here's how to make them great. Welcome to More Film Academy, video editing series. As you probably know, the default keyboard shortcuts in Final Cut Pro X and most NLEs suck. I mean, they are badly placed, making them require too much movement of their hands, and are hard to remember because they don't make sense. It's exhausting and time wasting. Seriously, it was obviously not designed by a video editor. Shortcuts should always be placed so that you have one hand on your mouse and one hand on one side of the keyboard at all times. So here is my super efficient keyboard for Final Cut Pro X. First up, the delete key. The delete key is usually on the right side of the keyboard, but unless you use your mouse with your left hand, that's just stupid. I find the most efficient key is the tilde key. A lot of people, especially beginners, will use the blade tool like this. Or they use the keyboard shortcuts B and A to switch between the tools. Simply putting the blade tool on the tab key is much more efficient. That said, to be honest, I barely use the blade tool anymore. There's an even faster way to cut clips, the trim start and trim end function. The original shortcut was horrible considering how useful this is. One of the things we do the most while editing is zooming in and out. And those idiots put that shortcut on the right side of the keyboard. So just put it on the Z key, it just makes sense. So these are my basic and most used keyboard shortcuts. See my next video with more advanced shortcuts that are also incredibly useful. Thanks for watching.